you should really know what you want to do in your life. আর তুমি যদি জানো তুমি কি করতে চাও, at the end you will find your way. You should always choose something which is versatile, where you have all the option open. So based on that, you just follow your dream, what you want to do in future, and you can do this. They always say you are the average of 5 people surrounding you. So I believe friends, those who are career motivated, those who are living abroad, those are more into studies, with those kinds of friends, they will really help you. Along with that, career counseling is also important because career counseling will have much more broader knowledge than your friends. So I think both of them are important.
Welcome, viewers, to the platform of Career Vision. Today we have Chirantan Debna. He is currently doing PhD in neuroscience from University of Ghent at Belgium. So let me handle this to Mr. Chirantan Debna. So first of all, tell me something about yourself, that is your career journey and your profession.
Okay. Thank you so much, Career Beacher, for having me. I'm really glad to be here. Actually, I belong to a small part of Tripura, which is called Jolaibari, which is about 100 kilometers far from our capital city, Agartala. So, আমার school journey শুরু হয়েছে Jolaibari school থেকেই. So, I was there till my class 10. Then I jumped into Bojjong Academy, Agartala, for my class 11 and 12. And ওইখান থেকে জয়েন্ট এন্ট্রান্স ক্লিয়ার হওয়ার পর আমি মিজোরাম গেছি। ওইখানে I have did my paramedical in Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology. আর ওইখানে থেকে I had a good result, so I was the university topper and the gold medalist. So I was very fortunate enough to got an opportunity in AIIMS Delhi. আমার ওইখানে 1 বছরের internship আছিল. So as soon I finished my internship there, so I appeared for CUCET, Common University Entrance Test Examination. And via that, I got Central University in MP for my master degree, so which is called Dr. Hari Singh Gore University. People know it as Sagar University also. So I have done my master's degree from there. And then for my thesis or for my project, I traveled to University of Queensland, Australia to complete my dissertation thesis. So on that, I have grabbed Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation grant. So on that grant, I went there for my thesis. And then I came back to India and I joined THSTI, which is a collaborative of AIIMS, you can say. So which is names for Translational Health Science and Technology Research. So there you can say that in AIIMS, they are dealing with the clinical part, and in THSTI, they're more into research. And the samples, more or less, they obtain from the AIIMS only. So yeah, I did my research there for 2 years, and thanks to God, I got few publications from there. Then I searched for my opportunity abroad, and then I end up being a PhD student in University of Ghent, Belgium. So I'm here from last 3 years. আর আমি এখানে পিএইচডি করছি, পিএইচডিটা করতেছি ওইটা হচ্ছে নিউরোসায়েন্সের উপরে. So now as of I am third year PhD student. So this is all about me, I think.
That's a huge accomplishment you've done.
Thank you so much for your kind words.
So if I'm not wrong, as a microbiologist, you have started your studies. So what does a microbiologist do on a daily basis, and what is the future scope of microbiology?
Yeah, to be very honest, the reason of choosing microbiology is your all options are open. You can go to industry as a food microbiologist, you can go to hospital as a diagnostic, and you can always go to profession, which is teaching profession. So if you choose microbiology, I'm not forcing or insisting anyone to do, this is my completely personal view, that you should always choose something which is versatile, where you have all the option open. So based on that, you just follow your dream, what you want to do in future, and you can do this. And in your question, you also asked, what is the future of microbiology and what is the daily life of microbiologists? See, from morning brush to evening brush, everything comes in microbiology because our mouth is full of microorganisms. So I must say, every second in your life, you are with microorganism. Microorganism means microbiology. So your full life is involved with microbiology. And to answer the second part of your question, what's the future? I think without microbiology, life is impossible because everywhere there are microorganisms, and without that, life is incomplete.
Exactly. So I'm going to a different topic. This is about career counseling. So if you how do you think about career counseling and student
yeah, absolutely. Like আমি খুব মিস করি যে আমি যখন টিনেজ লাইক ওয়েন আই ওয়াজ ইন 18-19 ইয়ার্স তোমরা যে ক্যারিয়ার বিচারে প্ল্যাটফর্মটা আছে আমার কাছে এমন প্ল্যাটফর্ম আছিল না জানার লিগা যে কোন মানে কিটা চুজ করতাম বা কোন লাইনে পড়াশোনা করা দরকার we really don't have any scope or any option to know this kinds of things. So I think this generation, you are doing your startup or you are just helping people. I think this kinds of initiative is very, very important so that the students know what they are, what they want in future. Based on that, they can decide your path. To be very honest, when I qualified my joint entrance in 2018, I don't even know what is microbiology. To be very honest, I don't know that. So when I jumped into that field, I came to know, oh, okay, this is the microbiology. So I think what you guys are doing, it's really commendable. I really appreciate this, and it's really going to help our future generations. So keep it up, guys.
Thank you so much. So the next question is, how can one plan to study abroad if he or she is financially poor? So,
yeah, exactly. See, to be very honest, this is not about financially poor and rich. If there is rich people also, it's very difficult for rich people also to survive in abroad because your living expense will be minimum 3 lakh rupees. So I really don't think if you're earning in Indian rupees, you can really afford foreign universities, because if you go to London, the tuition fee itself is around 1 to 2 crore rupees a year. So this is practically impossible for rich people also to afford it. I'm not, having said that rich, I'm not taking the top 1% of Indian rich people. I'm talking about the upper middle class. This is literally impossible. So there are huge number of fellowships provided by government in India, provided by like all countries fellowship. You can always opt for those fellowships. And the problem I feel with northeastern states, especially a small state like Tripura, actually আমরা জানি না scholarship যে exist করে. So this is the main problem. So I really think with your career teacher platform or any other platform, we should really reach to students which are about like 18 to 20 years of age, যাতে তারা জানে যে বাইরে প্রচুর স্কলারশিপ আছে। আমি এখানে পিএইচডি টাউনের লিগা I tried for around like 7-8 months, and at the end I had around 7 to 8 scholarships. So as a student like me, if I can grab 7 to 8 scholarship, who is living in Jolaibari, 100 kilometers far from Agartala, why not a guy from English medium school? Why not a guy from like some boarding school? I think they have upper hand compared to guy who is studying in Bengali medium in a small village. So I think awareness is most important. And having said that, there are huge number of scholarships. We just need to know how to apply for it in a right way.
So nowadays we have observed that students are not aware about the application of their knowledge that they have gathered during their studies. Okay. So তোমার মতে practical knowledge এর কি importance?
Oh yeah, আমি আমার ক্যারিয়ারের ব্যাপারেও মেনশন করছি যে if you really want to do something in life, theoretical knowledge is not enough. You really have to prove yourself that you can do it. And আর ওই জিনিসটার একটা প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ইম্পর্টেন্স আছে। তো তুমি যখন বাইরের কোনো স্কলারশিপের লিগে অ্যাপ্লাই করতে যাও, they really want a publication, and publication is something very practical. So in theory, I mean, with theory you cannot publish a paper or research paper. So having said that, if you want a future in this particular line, I think practical is very important. And our Indian education system is very good for that, because from class 10 itself, I mean, yeah, from 11, 12, as I was from a science background, we had practical classes. And in our graduation also, we had 1 year internship. And in master's also, I had thesis for 6 months. I think this is like good thing. Like if we do it with full motivation or full concentration, I think anyone can grab the success.
Exactly. So the next question is it necessary to know completely about any career before we jump into it?
Sorry, it was breaking. Will you please come back again?
Okay. The question is it necessary to know about the career before we choose it.
Yeah.
Gather
So
information.
আমি যদি আমার জেনারেশনের কথা কই, so I was very frank to you that I don't even know what is microbiology, but আমি পড়তে আসছি থেকে 10 বছর আগে, so I cannot put me in today's situation because things are drastically changing each and every year. আর আমার সময় সিএসআই এর নেট কোয়ালিফাই করা যতটুকু কঠিন আছিল, আজকের ডেটে এটা আরো অনেক বেশি কঠিন, বিকজ দ্য কম্পিটিশন ইজ ইনক্রিজিং, বিকজ দেয়ার আর মোর নিউ স্টুডেন্ট. So I personally believe it's very important to know what you are doing right now, what you want to do in future. For that, you really need to understand what topic you are going to choose in future so that you can be successful. And I am not someone who follows something blindly. So the appropriate answer for your question will be yes, I believe you should know what you want to do, then you should follow that career path.
Now we have a short rapid fire round.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So, what is your favorite subject?
Neuroscience, yeah. The time I started working with it, I'm in love with that.
Okay. So, practical knowledge or theoretical knowledge?
Yeah, no doubt, practical knowledge, no doubt. Yeah.
So, best career decision to follow friends or career counseling?
Yeah, I'll just extend the conversation a little because I used to read a lot of books. They always say you are the average of 5 people surrounding you. So I believe friends, those who are career motivated, those who are living abroad, those who are more into studies, with those kinds of friends, they will really help you. Along with that, career counseling is also important because career counseling will have much more broader knowledge than your friends. So I think both of them are important.
Next one is government job or private job?
Yeah, see, it completely depends on your preference, what you want in life. These days, the so-called government job is not government like that government job. Like here, if my mom's government job is different, like she has a job, it's for sure that she will finish her 62nd day, then she will finish. But ekhonat je government job gula ase, you have evaluation in every 5 years. So you cannot like differentiate government job and private job. Everything is based on your performance now. But to be very honest, I feel like if you are someone more into activity and if you really want to do something, I think you should jump into the private industry. It's because you will have freedom to do whatever you want. But if you are working for a government, that means there will be specific protocols which you have to follow. You will not have free hand to do whatever you like. But if you go to industry people will say you, we want this result, now do whatever you want. That means you have open hand to do all your research. Having said that, আজকের জেনারেশনের যে গভর্নমেন্ট অর্গানাইজেশন আছে, যে আমি টিএসএসসি ছিলাম, ওইটা গভর্নমেন্ট, বাট it runs like private thing only. So it's not like that boring government so called in 1950s or 1960s. So like your last question, is this friend or career counselor? In this question also, I'll merge both of them together. It's completely your decision what you want, and in both the platform you can have your success.
So looking on the present scenario, work from home or work at office?
Yeah, this is completely tricky question. It's because there are some computational work, just say that the computer science and technology. So if they go to work also, they have to do the same thing in front of computer. So I really don't think there is any difference between work from home and work from like office. But as a biologist like me, we really need to work in lab. Like we have to set up the reaction, we have to set up the PCR, we have to section the mice, we have to stain it. It's theoretically impossible to do it online. So yeah, like this is completely depends what you are doing. It depends on field to field. If somebody is doing computer science, for them work from home is absolutely fine. And somebody like me who is in biological science, whose main work is in like bench work, dry lab. So for them, I think you have to go to lab. So I will not generalize the question. So to be very honest, I don't have answer for it because it depends on what you are doing.
So it's the end of our questionnaire session. Now I just want you to say a few words to our viewers and students about career and education. Few things from it.
Yeah, I must say that you should really know what you want to do in your life. আর তুমি যদি জানো তুমি কি করতে চাও, at the end you will find a way. আর actually I will not criticize the system because আমাদের নিজের মধ্যে এই অ্যাওয়ারনেসটা নাই যে কি কি স্কলারশিপ আছে বা বিদেশে কেমনে যায়। আমি আমার নিজের কথাই কই, আমি যখন ক্লাস ওই 11-12 তখন আমার বিদেশ যাওয়ার খুব শখ ছিল, বাট আমি জানতামই না হাউ টু গো দেয়ার। এন্ড যখন ইউনিভার্সিটি ওয়েবসাইটে সার্চ করতাম দেখতাম যে স্কলারশিপ, বাট উই ডোন্ট ইভেন নো হাউ টু অ্যাপ্রোচ এন্ড হাউ টু অ্যাপ্লাই ফর দোজ স্কলারশিপ। But I really appreciate the platform like you, what you are doing, like career teacher, ওখানে যে যারা স্কলার আছে বা যারা যে রিসেন্ট স্টুডেন্ট আছে, তুমি দুটোটা একসাথে করতেছো, তাহলে কি তুমি ব্যাপারটা যে আমি যে নলেজ গুলা শেয়ার করতেছি, যে টিনেজার আছে 18 to 21 ইয়ার্স, তারা জানবো কি করে স্কলারশিপ অ্যাপ্লাই করে। লাইক ইফ ইউ নিড মোর ইনফরমেশন ইন ফিউচার, জাস্ট মেইল মি or just reach me in any mode. You just Google my name, Chirantan Devnath, you will find all the details about me. You can mail me, you can text me. So I'll definitely be the one who can help, and I'll really be, I'll help to process the application process also. I can really tell them how to write a winning CV and how to write a motivation letter. I really can help it. So I'll be very happy to help somebody who needs me to grab a foreign scholarship outside. Yeah, I cannot like promise that you will get it, but I really can say how to approach it because I was been there on that particular stage and I applied for a couple of fellowships, so I know how to apply for it. So at the end, it's your luck, your hard work, and your dedication. And if you are determined that you want to do it, for sure you will be able to do it.
Thank you. So we have a hand over here. So Chirantan Devnath, thank you for being with us, and we wish from our team a very, very success for your career journey. And I hope you will be a very valuable asset for this entire world. So thank you.
Thank you so much for your kind word.